Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about something that I'm super stoked about. So these three masks you see here are made by Funworld Division, the same exact company that makes the Ghostface mask, also known as the Scream mask. And this mask here, which is more of the hero mask throughout the movie, can be found sometimes on forums or eBay. It's more of a rarer find to bump into one of these. And now I'm going to give a breakdown of the collection itself and a cosplay I put together for it. So for the display stand itself, it's made of wood, something I made from hand. It has 4 foam heads to hold each mask, and I basically put like a black stocking over the foam head to black out the eyes. This is how I currently have the masks displayed. The first one on top is the hero mask, which is seen throughout the movie. And then the rest as follow in chronological order. We have the smiley face on the left, in the middle is the what's up face, and then the one on the right is the hi face. I believe that's the actual names that Funworld Division gave to them. I'm not 100% sure on that. And for the costume, I'm basically using the Spirit Halloween Ghostface costume that I modified. I sewed the hood to have that pointy effect, which is seen in Scary Movie itself. And for the Buck 120 knife, I'm also using Spirit Halloween's Buck 120 knife. And that pretty much wraps up this review. Thanks for watching. Feel free to give me a thumbs up and subscribe.